Today we're going to introduce you to the all-new Zeus by AEA. It's a 58 caliber Zeus model. The old Zeus was 72 caliber. Didn't get a lot of shots, although it produced up to 1,500 foot-pounds of energy. This new 58 caliber is really going to max out the capability of this rifle. It's going to give you almost 1,100 feet per second with a 400 grain round. Here we go. Let's give it a test. Look at that. 1,095 feet per second with 400 grains and 58 caliber. That is going to give you the range and the power that no other air rifle you can buy is going to give you. Here you go, shot two. So roughly 50 or so feet per second there on drop between shot number one and shot number two. So here we go, shot number three. Still, at shot number three, you're going over 1,000 feet per second. That's with 400 grains. That's an impressive amount of power. Here we go with an accuracy test out at 50 yards. We're aiming at this little red dot right there in the center of the screen. You can see the arrow pointing at it. Whack, right there on it. Look at that. We're going to take 6 shots altogether from this single fill just to show you what the accuracy is throughout all 6 shots here. Here we go, shot number two. Basically erasing the red dot. And you'll see a pattern start to emerge here as we start stacking these bullets one right on top of the other. Basically, you're going to have about a 3/4 inch grouping at 50 yards, which is a very impressive grouping when you consider it's a 58 caliber round. Look at that, one more right on top of each other. A little bit of drop on that shot, maybe about a 1/2 inch. Here we'll lift up about a 1/2 inch on our drop compensation and put it right back on the laser mark there, stacking bullets. Here we go. Look at that. I mean, just impressive accuracy, an incredible amount of power. This all around is probably the best large caliber air rifle that you can purchase right now on the market. .869 feet per second with those 600 grain slugs. I'll go ahead and throw up some foot-pounds of energy here on the screen for you. .820 feet per second